Bro, like, nothing too, my battery died. But, bro, when people are washing clothes, like, I love the smell of that. Like, just washing clothes. My the battery's charging. 227. 227. There you go. But I'm gonna listen to my music. So if anything happens, or if I see a car.
Continue south on Wakefield Chapel Road, SR 710. Then in 200 feet, turn left onto Queen Elizabeth Boulevard.
One day I'll have a nice house, bro. But I'm not meant to work for somebody, bro. I'm really not. That's probably why I got fired from every job. Because one, I love animals, so I put animal safety before money. Yeah, I put animal safety before money. So that's why I got fired at every animal job. And here I'm just slow. But I'm not running or anything. I'm trying to kill myself for no $18 an hour when they don't care about me like that. They'll replace you in a heartbeat. You die, they'll replace you in a heartbeat. You quit, they'll replace you in a heartbeat. So like they're low on people because they don't have nobody. Look why. $229. It's box.
What's in the box?
$229. It's box. $229. Hello, $229. But anyway, like I said, one day I'll have my garage house in Mustang. Like, I'm just sick of living paycheck to paycheck. These managers or these people could do whatever the fuck they want because they can. Alright, so it's a Mustang up here. I've seen it before. I delivered it in this area before. Oh, what the fuck is this? Yo, what is that green shit on there? What does that mean? Yo, this is a nice little setup right here. Can you see that? Marley Spoon. What the fuck does that mean? Yo, can you see that shit? It's nice, it's nice. See, I love owners like that. He told his dog to shut up. Thank you, bruh. I respect him. So the owners who do that, tell their dogs to shut up, thank you. Much respected. Hold up. Tupac about to give me copyright. Oh, it's right across from the Mustang. Oh, his tag says like, send it.
Arrive at the destination on your right.
Hey, sexy daddy. Papi chulo. Like, is there any Hispanics watching this? I know they said this shit too, like, Hispanics, a lot of Hispanics don't like people because like the language barrier. Like, I understand that, but like, bro, that's a dumbass reason to dislike somebody. What's the real reason? And then the fact that, you know, blacks don't get along and shit. Like, bro, I love Hispanics. Look. Bro, you already said it in Spanish, bro. I repeat it, hold on. Yo, look at this shit. Send it, gun it. It's a manual, it's automatic. Oh, it's an automatic. Get the fuck. That shit nice though. Like, you got race tires on there. Yeah, sexy daddy. Oh, I done pissed myself. He's talking some coke. He's talking some coke in Spanish. It's a Porsche here. What is this? What does that mean? Yeah, this is a place where I saw that. I said, Subaru? You got a business card on? Hello. I'm sorry, finding you. It's a package.
I don't ever like stop, so I don't need to be talking with my mouth full.
I'm gonna take a business card. I didn't even know this place was here.
I know. Well, we take up so many addresses, so that's always hard, but.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Drive safe.
You too. Oh, have a good day.
Yes, you too.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's asking for a name. But you got this down pat, huh?
I do. I know.
Thank you.
I got all the business ones. I got all our personal ones here. So.
And you have my best friend's name too.
I love it.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
She's cool as shit. I don't know if it's too bright or what. This Porsche, on this tag, it says 5K run. What does that mean? Hopefully, I'm gonna keep recording because I think that car is here. If it tells me to go out the other way. So hopefully it does.
Exit parking towards Forest Place, then turn right.
That lady, it's called, the place is called Capital Car Care. It's 7978 Forbes Place, Springfield, Virginia. Bro, that lady, the reception, just makes me want to go there. She's such a sweetheart, bro. I love people like that. But why the hell hasn't my girl called? Now, I don't know what's up with her, bro. Girls, this is why I be single, bro. Well, we're not together, but this is where that car was at. Oh, do we
In
have
100 feet, turn left onto a parking aisle.
Stancy boy here? I'm gonna record this interaction because it might be some shit. I think I have more in the truck.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yep, you too.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.